Hello dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about the working of petrol engine. I hope you know that most of the machines, vehicles and even aircraft they run on this petrol engine. What's happening in a petrol engine? The chemical energy of the fuel is converted into useful work or mechanical energy. So here we are going to study about the working of a petrol engine with the help of a demonstration model. So here I have a model of petrol engine, and first we will discuss all the parts of this engine and then we will move into the working. The first and important part is the cylinder, in which the piston moves up and down and the combustion takes place inside this chamber that is known as the cylinder. The second important part of this engine is piston. This is the piston and it can move up and down during the process of combustion. And this piston is connected to a crankshaft which converts the up and down motion or the linear motion of the piston into circulatory motion. You can see the piston is moving up and down, but with the help of this crankshaft, that linear motion of the piston is converted into the rotatory motion. There are two more parts, that is the inlet valve and the exhaust valve. The inlet valve through which the petrol and the air mixture enters the chamber. At the same time, there is an exhaust valve through which the unburned gases and the waste particles goes out of the chamber. And there is an important part known as spark plug or ignition plug that helps the burning of the fuel inside the chamber. The working of the petrol engine is divided mainly into four. The first one is intake stroke. During the intake stroke, the piston goes down. At the same time, the inlet valve also opens up and it allows the petrol and air mixture to enter into the cylinder. And the second stage is known as compression stroke, where the piston moves up. Okay, you can see the piston moves up, and what happens during that? It compresses the air and the fuel mixture inside the chamber. Thus, the temperature and the pressure inside the chamber or the cylinder increases, and at the same time, we have a spark plug that produces the spark, and fuel mixture inside the chamber explodes, which creates more heat or more temperature that forces the piston down, and that is the power stroke. And finally, we have one more stroke, that is the exhaust stroke, where again the piston moves up. At the same time, the exhaust valve, you can see at the same time the exhaust valve also opens up and the unburned gases or the unburned fuel moves out of the chamber. So I hope it is clear. First one intake stroke, the second one compression stroke, the third one is power stroke, and finally the fourth one is exhaust stroke. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.